Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen lock pattern password on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First, lock your screen and try to unlock your phone. It is asking for pattern. So here I have set my pattern like this, and I would like to change this pattern to another one. So what I have to do is just go to the settings first, then go to lock screen, then go to screen lock type, and draw the current pattern for confirmation and authentication. Now click on pattern again and draw another pattern. Now I draw this one. Click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm, and it is asking for to turn on remote unlock. If you want to use remote unlock, you click on turn on, otherwise cancel it and lock your screen. And now try to unlock your phone. Now you have to use the current pattern that you set, that is latest pattern is changed. Oh yes, I have entered my latest pattern that I set now. In this way you can easily change screen lock pattern password to another screen lock pattern password on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.